back to 5 Minutes of Math. This is Mr. Lunsford, and I'm glad you joined me this evening. Tonight's homework is for the evening of April 9th, 2018, and we are looking at geometric transformations. Specifically, we're looking at translations. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so we're starting here with a coordinate plane and a set of instructions that says to graph triangle X, Y, Z. Well, if we graph that triangle using the coordinates they gave us, we end up with this shape. X is at -4, -4. Y is at -3, -1. And Z is at 2, -2. And our instructions here are to slide this shape, or translate it, 3 units right and 4 units up. So let's see what that looks like. We're going to move the shape once, twice, 3 times. Now we're going to move it up by 4 units. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the problem asks us to graph the new coordinates. And those new coordinates are as follows. X is -1, 0. Y is 0, 3. And Z is at 5, 2. So those are our 3 new points. So that concludes number 1. Now, with number 2, we go back to the beginning. This time, we're to take that same shape and translate it 2 units to the left and 3 units down. So let's see what that looks like. So let's move our shape. Let's go. 1, 2 units to the left. Now, 3 units down. 1, 2, 3. Now, what's our brand new set of coordinates? Here we have our X is -6, -7. Y is -5, -4. And Z is at 0, -5. And those are the coordinates for the newly translated shape. And all translation means is that we slide that shape around the coordinate plane. We don't change its orientation. We don't spin it. We just move it around. All right? Now, how would you describe this question? There is a point, and we've started at the black dot, we've ended up at the red dot. So how would you describe that movement from point A to point B using translation notation? Translation notation looks just like what we've been doing for the coordinate plane, except the X coordinate refers to how many units left or right that we move, and the Y coordinate refers to how many units up or down we move. So positive in the X axis means that we move right, negative means we move left. So in the Y coordinate, positive means we move up, negative means we move down. So let's see what happens here. So starting at that black point, point A, and moving over to point B, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units up. And then if we're going to go from there to point B, moving along the x-axis, we go 1, 2. So using what we know, we've moved 5 units up, we've moved 2 units to the right. So both of our movements have been positive. So in translation notation, we've moved 2 units on the x-axis and 5 units on the y-axis, 2, 5. That's the answer for this question. That's it. Y'all take care, and remember, math is not just about numbers. It's all about the relationships that surround us every day. Have a good one.